It's like a reality show.
Yeah, it is, because you gotta take 15 takes. Okay, so this blue rubber, notice it's all...
So is that probably the main problem that was causing that?
That would be an acceleration problem, because that's the accelerator pump. And it has nothing, and it's all stretched out. But the blue is not ethanol resistant. Your new one has the red,
Yeah.
and it's more solid, and that is ethanol resistant. So that'll go back in. So we will start on that here in a moment. That doesn't go in there, that goes over here. Okay, so
What are you guys doing?
look at the hardware boys.
We're putting everything together to see if we're missing
Anything
anything.
super tiny goes in there.
Nice.
Look at that.
That's gay.
Depository.
Start throwing it together.
Is what?
That's gay. Just start throwing it together. Extra parts were mistakes.
Oh, that's heavy, by the way.
Yeah.
Just in case.
noticed
Oh,
that.
don't be dropping my hardware on the ground.
We're making a plug.
Yeah, I probably should have labeled that heavy.
Well, it was bigger than I thought.
I think it's 7/16 thread.
Yeah, it's fine. It looks boogered too. Look at
7/16
it.
24. Yeah,
Kind of a little cross thread in there.
probably older than dirt.
What if we had a fitting,
A fitting would work with a plug on it.
or there's just a straight fitting? Because we're eliminating this, right?
That one, yeah, but that one's got a
Let's see.
No, Paul's got nice new floats. They're conveniently located underneath that box. So, let's do our easy part first.
That's scary stuff.
Looks good. So, the bottom.
Is that a standard GM carburetor, or is that
Yeah,
a
it's a-
special Oldsmobile?
It's a 4-jet. It came on a lot of stuff. With variations, of course. So that matches, so that can go on our shredders pile now. This guy goes here. Yay, all these holes are
Hey, love, what are you looking for? Oh, fittings.
Wick's getting creative.
Never mind.
Yeah, it's a fitting plug. I know I got the button.
The genius is at work. Sorry.
Just cram a marshmallow in it. It'll be fine.
Yeah, I have some.
Big ones?
Yeah.
Stay Puffs?
Put them in the.
I don't know.
Oh God,
We're-
I was going to get marshmallows.
We were supposed.
Really important filming.
They're probably. Oh, they're not even hard yet, Grant. No, they're just regular old. Smart and Final. We were supposed to do s'mores at one point. We never did.
Wick's got.
That was
ice
last
plugs.
fall too.
You got the whole. What's the whole set?
Not
So once that's done,
These
every one
beverages.
but the one we need, right?
Oh, right.
yeah, that's 7/16 thread. So.
I kind of remember seeing something like this around here. Like this whole thing.
Yeah.
The problem is we need to use this one, but we need
Don't
to
want that. So,
Yeah, so
you
you're
want to
male-
plug that.
Male to female, which
Yes,
You ain't
that's
gonna
the
find
motion you need.
I would think.
I'm sure there's plenty of those.
Look, I got.
Look at you.
Look at this, fancy.
No, that's not bad.
Now, you know what sucks? The floats are in the box underneath that.
Oh,
Lift them up
no.
Be very careful.
Quickly.
Oh, you're fucking it all.
Ah, there we go.
Okay, wait.
Make it fly.
Yeah.
Alright, so those are good try.
Yeah, it's not bad.
There you go. So this one's got. This one went to market. This one went home. So we're missing.
What did you say?
This one went to market
Ah.
and this one went home.
Good little piggies.
Yeah.
1,000 of them.
I couldn't. It's probably more than that, knowing me.
Is the dog still on her bed? Yes. The dog is still on her bed.
Dog on bed.
Yes. Don't wake sleeping dog. Let sleeping dogs lie, as they say.